In this video, we'll explore one more feature of Haj Suvidha app. Open the Haj Suvidha app, log in with your credentials. A special highlight of Haj Suvidha app is the Pedometer feature. Designed to promote health and fitness among pilgrims. The primary goal of the pedometer is to encourage regular walking, helping pilgrims build stamina required for Hajj rituals such as tawaf and sa'i. The pedometer accurately records the number of steps taken by the pilgrim each day, allowing for self-monitoring during the multiple walking rituals. You can also view your rank on the leaderboard and compare your progress with other pilgrims to stay motivated. Haj Suvidha app also offers a separate leaderboard for women, where you can check your ranking in your state or globally. Just keep your phone with you while walking for accurate step tracking. Thank you for using Haj Suvidha app. Best wishes for your pilgrimage.